So I'm just teaching Jonah, or Jonah's teaching Jesse what to check before you go on a long drive.
I'm trying to show him the engine.
On some cars, the points that you need to check are all yellow. Subaru's one of those cars. So you can see washer fluid, coolant, engine oil, power steering, and brakes. Whilst other manufacturers, like Audi, take everything out of the engine bay and you cannot see a thing. Even the brake fluid's concealed, so when mechanics do the brake fluid, they forget to fill it up, and then the brake failure light comes on 6 weeks later. Story of my life. But here they've still kept it that you can maintain your own car and not destroy your own car. Okay. Jonah, what are you doing? Alright, you want to start the engine? Alright, I'll have to push the clutch. Hold on. Start the engine when you're ready.
Now look inside now. Whoa. Wheels turning. Whoa, do you like it? Yeah. Well, look off the wheels turning inside. So cute. I knew that
So with Subarus, guys, for many years, you actually want to dip it a few times. So you want to wait 1 minute and you want to dip it a few times. And on one dip, it'll show low. And like here at a glance, it's going to 2/3. But yeah, you want to dip it a few times on Subarus.
These wheels are actually ice.
The wheels are what?
Ice.
Oh, they're frozen cold. Yeah. It's interesting that we're getting this reaction here already with the coolant. That's the sort of thing you get on Toyotas with the red coolant. Yeah. So, always dip it a few times. And you can see the damage on the intercooler from the high-speed bugs going in and stuff. That happens.
Oh my goodness, look, Daddy.
What?
That.
Exploded bee. Yeah, there's bugs going in at high speed here. There's bugs. We're going to wash this car today when we get home, Jesse. Yeah. Going to wash the car when we get back.
So the things come up.
Yeah.
Something.
Yeah. Okay, are we ready to go? Are we ready to go? Is everything all right? Sort of.
Are those muzzies?
Yeah, sort of. Mozzies, bees. Are we ready to go, Captain? Yeah. Captain Jonah?
Well, just shut the boot now.
Shut the bonnet?
Just shut it now. Shut it. Shut it. Hurry up and shut it.
What else do we check? Have a look at our tyres, that they're all in the green. The TPMS system I had to buy from Mitre 10 for $8. Right. That's my TPMS. Disgraceful. We want TPMS. We want TPMS.
Dad,
Yeah.
remember I won 8 chocolate?
Yeah, you won 8 chocolates last night.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll stop on the way and make a video about the fuel economy maybe. Okay, guys. Let's go. Back to Sydney.
Just hurry up and put my seatbelt on. Oh yeah.